Hello friends, let's go straight into the video. This is a cake base and I've painted this with gesso, homemade gesso, and I have placed a hole in that place. Now I'm going to paint this with acrylic color, white acrylic color. Now this is painted with white acrylic color and I'm going to dab it with green color using a sponge. Now the base work is completed. Now I'm going to do the rest of the work over this. I'm using a disposable cup and I'm going to cut it into half. I'm here cutting the rim of the disposable cup and I'm going to use it in my work. Secure it with cloth clips till it dries. Now it has dried up. Now I'm going to use Fevibond and stick the cup onto the center of the base. For the rest of the work, I am using Fevicryl molded. I am using a pencil to flatten the clay. Now I am pasting this over the base. I'm sorry about the focus of the video because I tried my level best but I couldn't get the focus right. Now I'm making impression like bricks. And now you cover the remaining part with Fevicryl molded and then make impressions like that of bricks. I'm stuffing the cup with some waste paper and then I'm going to cover it with Fevicryl molded. After this, I'm going to create some leaves and paste it to create a flower pot like feeling. This is dry now and I am coloring it with Fevicryl acrylic colors. Now I'm going to make some smaller leaves in order to be placed at the top of the work which I have done in order to give some dimension to the work and height to the flowers which I'm going to paste. With the help of clay, I will give some height to the flowers. I made these polymer flowers for the first time, so I could not take a video. Sorry about that. I have placed a clay ball inside the cup and I'm going to place a flower inside that, over that clay ball. I hope you are able to understand because the focus is a little bit bad this time. I'm painting the remaining and then it is done. Now the work is ready and I have hung it on the wall with the help of a rope. And hope you like the work. Thank you.